Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put circle text in Photoshop. We will begin by creating the foundation for our circular text. Start by selecting the ellipse tool from your toolbar. Hold down the Shift key as you drag to create a perfectly round circle. Once your circle is drawn, right-click on the shape layer in the Layers panel and select Make Work Path. This converts your shape into a path that text can follow, ensuring a smooth curve. Now that you have your circular path, it's time to add some text. Grab the horizontal type tool from your Photoshop toolbar. Carefully move your cursor over the path you just created. You'll notice the cursor icon changes to a wavy line, indicating it's ready to type on a path. Click once on the path, and a blinking insertion point will appear. You can now start typing your message, and it will magically follow the curve of your circle. With your text on the path, let's refine its appearance. Open the Character panel to access various text options. Here, you can change the font style, size, and color to match your design. A crucial setting is Baseline Shift. Use it to move your text slightly above or below the path, effectively placing it inside or outside the circle. Also, adjust tracking and kerning to fine-tune the spacing between characters for optimal readability and aesthetic appeal. Finally, let's perfect the positioning of your circular text. Switch to the Path Selection tool. You'll see small handles appear on your text. Click and drag these handles to rotate the text around the circle or even flip it to the inside or outside. You can also drag the text itself along the path to center it precisely. Once you are satisfied with the placement, simply hide the path layer in the Layers panel for a polished, professional look. Your circular text is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.